Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I want to talk to you about how do you know if you're getting a good window at a fair price? That's one of the most common questions people ask me. They say, Jeff, how am I supposed to protect myself? Because I've never bought windows before. How do I know what's a fair price? Well, there are some rule of thumb sort of pricing that I could give you, and it's going to vary based on your zip code. It's going to vary based on where you live. It's going to vary based on the product. But if you're talking about buying a high quality, high performance product from a trusted installer who knows what they're doing, who's going to stand behind the work, you're going to probably spend somewhere around 10% of the value of your home on a high quality window project. Now granted, that's just a rule of thumb. It's going to vary. You may have very few windows on a home. You may have a lot of windows on a home. But if you're living in a $500,000 house and you're spending $25,000 on windows, it's going to be junk, right? If you've got 25 or 30 windows and you're spending $1,000 for a window, that's going to be a junk window. A high quality window is going to be somewhere around at least $2,000 for a vinyl window and as much as $4,000 or $5,000 for a really high performance, high quality window. If you're spending less than that, then you have to ask yourself why. Why does this window cost less? Because we all know there's no such thing as a free lunch, right? We all know that you get what you pay for. And while there are some companies that might be able to do a good job at a lesser price, there's not going to be a great distinction between them. Here's what I know. You probably don't want to buy from the most expensive company, and you don't want to buy from the cheapest company. If you look at projects like the ones we do, most of our customers have seen companies that were higher than us, companies that were lower than us, and we were the guys in the middle. Why? Because it is okay to make a profit, right? You want us to make a profit as a window company because that means we're going to stick around to be in business to take care of you. You know, here at the Window Experts, our goal is to make somewhere between 15 and 22% net profit on our jobs. And that's fair to you, that's fair to us. So you say, Jeff, I don't get it now. What am I supposed to do? Well, here's what I think you should do. I don't think you should look at anybody who does not offer you a full turnkey solution. If they don't give you the windows and the installation and the warranty all under one umbrella, I would probably throw those people out right away. And if somebody comes out to your home and they're high pressure and they have this buy it tonight, get it right now kind of a deal, I would be a little concerned about that one as well. There's a reason they don't want you to compare and go shopping. So throw those two out and look at the people in the middle. Now, if you're looking for a great window company near you and you live in the DFW area or you live down here in Houston, I would love to throw my hat in the ring to see if we could earn your business. In fact, you could come by here and take a look at my showroom and look at stuff. Pricing is not a secret. You ask me a price, we'll look it up. I'll tell you what it costs. It's easy. We just don't know exactly what size you need, or I'd tell you prices right now. But if I can't help you right here in this area and you're looking for a great window company somewhere else, check out my website. I know a lot of great window companies because of my YouTube connections all over the country that do a really good job at a fair and affordable price. Go to thewindowexperts.com, check that out, and I'll help point you in the right direction.